hear the sound of drums, know it's a call, an alarm, a cry and a heartbeat, an awakening to arouse the fighting spirits, cause we all are warriors. You do not beat the drums of war unless you're ready to fight the same. But how can you not be ready when the battle line has already been drawn? You cannot shrink in fear or claim ignorance of this war, because there is a war. But good news is, you have already been declared a winner before the fights began. Sounds of war precede sounds of victory, but when sounds of silence are heard, it only means that the heart has stopped beating, because that which is about to die does not beat the drum or hear its beating. Awake and be fierce, O warrior, about to do battle. This battle is about your life, your destiny, and your reign in the earth. You either beat these drums of war or dance to it when another beats it, knowing that a man is obliged to beat his own chest when he has no drums. Be ready to fight, having your loins girt about with truth, and also the breastplate of righteousness, and your feet shod with the preparations of the gospel of peace. With your faith, quench all the fiery darts of the wicked, knowing that your salvation is more than mere words. It is your helmet. Carry the sword of the Spirit, which is the word of God. And know that prayer is essential in this ongoing warfare. When you hear the sounds of drums, know that it is a necessary prelude to stir passion in you, O warrior. For the heart of every warrior craves the sound of drums, for their might to be unleashed in vanquishing their foes. Using the weapons of your warfare, you are sure to smash the head of the enemy, whose only agenda is to steal, kill, and to destroy. Remember, you cannot be silent and neutral in this warfare, because sounds of silence only means that the heart has stopped beating. But the pride and heartbeats of every warrior is in the sounds of drums.